First, add your image into the timeline. Right click on the image and choose crop to fit. Then go to Effects tab and add square blur effect. Adjust the blur size to 4. Go to color and lower the brightness. Add the same image in the second track. Right click, go to crop and zoom and adjust the ratio to 1:1. Change the scale to 60%. Adjust the exposition as follows. Activate the drop shadow and adjust the shadow color to white and make the following adjustments. Add default title into the timeline. Now add your music. Customize your title. Go to Effects tab, Audio Effects, then add any audio visualizer of your choice. Now make the following adjustments. Add dirty film effect. Now click the render icon.
From the top of the moon, I can see the whole world sitting in my hand, a maze of blue. We finna break the rules, and we gon' make them too. I can't promise if I gotta stand tall, that's what a leader do. Follow me, I'm leading you. Like we finna turn up, cranked up the heat and they finna burn up. Told her I'm coming, I'm ill, tell them make time up. I said it once, I'ma say it again, this be my year. I ain't gon' show no film, I know that I'm